Hi, my name is Damian Johnson, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Solar Switch before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Solar Switch is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Solar Switch, because Solar Switch is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Solar Switch and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Solar Switch works. The Solar Switch is a product that provides a comprehensive program to convert your house into a solar-run system. It includes many important components, such as solar panels, wiring, and many others, to generate power from solar light. Today's world completely depends on electricity and power. If the power cuts down for a second, a huge loss can happen to a state. Therefore, companies seek alternative power sources to eliminate this dependency and generate unlimited power without any cut down. The Solar Switch is a power-generating product that Brian K. created. He made this product after going through a severe incident of a power cut down, getting shot, and being robbed at his home. This incident left an extreme impact on his mind. Therefore, he made a product to eliminate the power cut down and dependency on the government to provide electricity to people at higher costs. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Solar Switch, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Solar Switch for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Solar Switch from, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Solar Switch helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.